Hi, this is Linda Shea with Drilling Contractor. Today I'm at the 2024 IADC World Drilling Conference in Madrid, and I have with me Javier Rey with Repsol, who spoke at the conference about the company's InWell AI program. Javier, thank you for joining me.
Thank you, Linda. It's a pleasure being here.
So can you give us a general overview of InWell AI and what it does?
Yes, of course. So InWell AI is the tool we developed to optimize our drilling performance with the use of artificial intelligence. And the motivation to use artificial intelligence was, first of all, because it had the technology to analyze all the parameters in real time, extract the insights so we can recommend better actions to optimize performance. Then because it allows for prescriptive analytics, and that means that we will evaluate all the potential scenarios, and we will select those scenarios leading to optimum performance, and we will apply those actions. And finally, because this is aligned with one of our goals, which is taking data-driven decisions. So in the end, InWell AI, it's like the guideline for the drillers. No, we will provide the customized screens with straightforward information so we can improve performance. And we detect the ongoing operations, and we will activate the corresponding modules, which are drilling, tripping, casing, reaming, and also invisible lost time. And the main benefit we have is we optimize our rate of penetrations and we decrease our invisible lost time, due to flat time operations.
So Javier, I think one of the modules you mentioned is a drilling module. Can you tell us a little more about that specific one and how it works?
Yes, of course. So we believe that machine learning shows its full potential in the drilling module. And we have 3 different machine learning algorithms competing with each other to provide the best parameters to optimize performance. One of them is looking at the offset well data. The other one is looking at the 100 meters passed. And the last one is looking at the current formation we're drilling. So these algorithms will compete with each other in real time, and the one which is adapting best to the current wellbore conditions will be the winning model. No? And this winning model will simulate different scenarios. No? So that means different combinations of weight on beat, RPM, and flow rate. And we will limit this operational grid where we do the simulations. No? So we have several factors limiting the grid, BHA limitations, wellbore conditions, or certain deviation from current parameters. No? The last step is the analyzing also the mechanical specific energy and the depth of cut. So in the end, we will provide those parameters that are leading to optimum performance with the minimum energy spent. No? And we will display these parameters on the screen. But we believe that for machine learning algorithms, we need plenty of data. No? So this is why we also included an exploratory layer that has a different approach to improve performance. In this case, we use advanced analytics, and we will do like an automatic drill-off test. No? We will be adjusting the drilling levers, so the drilling parameters, until we find the sweet spot. And this is especially useful for exploration well, and also when starting new sections or new runs. No? And the combination of a machine learning algorithm and this layer is what is providing flexibility. No? This is enriching the models, providing versatility. No? So in the end, we ensure that we apply the most suitable parameters at every interval of the well.
Wow, sounds very impressive. So what kind of results have you seen from deploying InWell AI in terms of either downtime prevention or maybe CO2 emissions?
So for the downtime prevention, we have recently released a module that is analyzing the multiple variables with advanced analytics. And what we do is we detect anomalies. And these anomalies need to be calibrated based on the anticipated downhole problems we are going to face. As I said, this is something that we have recently integrated. We are doing the test, but the good thing is that we haven't had any stuck pipe event, for example, which is a good sign. And in terms of CO2, what we're doing is that we also developed a machine learning that learns the contribution that each parameter has for each specific activity, either tripping or drilling, in the fuel consumption, and thus in the CO2 emissions. And for the moment, we are just measuring. We are estimating these CO2 emissions, but our final goal is to analyze if there's any potential improvement to add any logic to the recommended parameters and improve performance while decreasing our CO2 emissions.
Javier, are there any future opportunities or challenges that you envision with this technology?
Yeah, there are plenty of opportunities and challenges. First of all, related to data. So with the advancements of technology, I believe we are going to get significant amounts of data. And in the end, this is an opportunity and a challenge at the same time. No? An opportunity because we will be able to provide much more accurate analysis. But on the other hand, a challenge because we need to ensure data quality. We need to manage all this data to extract all the information. We will also add new variables. No? There are many things that are not considered in our tool, so this is also a challenge no? and an opportunity, no? Providing more information no? and also finding the way of inputting these new variables into the system. Then related to a partnership with other companies, no, I think this is a very good opportunity we can have because this way we can minimize the development times and we can simplify the visualization. And last challenge I would like to highlight is that we need to enhance the communication between engineers and data scientists because we don't speak the same language, no? And this can be sometimes challenging to implement our business needs into our digital tools.
Well, thank you so much, Javier, for telling us about this impressive technology. I know you have authored an article that's going to be published in the next issue of Drilling Contractor magazine, so our readers can definitely read more about this technology in the article. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for joining us on drillingcontractor.org.